Hey guys, so what we have here is something that I'm really excited about. This is the new Motley Industries 122-piece tri-fold toolkit. Got a nice little tri-fold bag. You got your destructions. Lots of cardboard. These individual boxes are actually numbered G1, G2, and G3. So, each individual tool has its own specific place to go. This is super exciting because Supercell, Wisconsin, I actually got to see the prototype kit. And with that prototype kit, I had some ideas that I ran by the folks at Motley. So what we have here looks like your wrench set, pouch B, I don't know. It says installation sheet. Pretty interesting. Let's pop these boxes open and see what we got. Pretty good stuff right here with this tri-fold. It's pretty interesting. Alright, let's see what we got here. G1. Let's see what you consist of. Oh, nice. Looks like we got some really nice sockets, each individually Ford logo with the number. Nice black finish. Got your metric. And it looks like we got oh look, 2 10s. I'm gonna say these are some pretty high quality tools. Because I've been turning wrenches pretty much my entire life. And my toolbox over there consists of tools that I've had for, well, I know this is going to make me sound old, but for well over 20 years. Actually a little longer than 20 years. Got some really nice long-handled screwdrivers, 1/4-inch drive handle. Really, really nice tools. 1/2-inch drive. 3/8 extension, 6-inch extension, 3/8 drive. Oh, now see, this is the thing that every toolkit lacks. And I say that because that's fact. So this is a 1/2-inch breaker bar. Breaker bar, very important tool. Very important tool for the breaker bar. So let's see. Let's see what we're... Looks like we might be going right here for the breaker bar. Right here for the 1/2-inch drive. And then maybe not that one. Quarter-inch drive. Hey, there it is. Quarter-inch drive ratchet. This little fella right here. Your 1/2-inch breaker bar. And it looks like what else we got in here? Got a bunch of nice little bits. Now here's another really nice upgrade to the system. Some really nice impact sockets, it looks like, which is super nice to have. So that was G1. That was G1 box. Let's move on to the next one. Going with G2. G2's got all kinds of goodies in it. We got... Oh, now this is a must-have. Body clip, my nemesis pliers. Another one of my favorite tools. Channel locks. Really nice channel locks. Got some needle nose. Some really nice needle nose. These are lineman pliers. A really nice Ford Performance ball peen hammer. Man, this thing looks nice. This thing's really nice. It's got a real nice grip to it. Got a real nice weight to it. Yeah, this thing's spot on. Pretty sure that goes in this little cubby hole. Stick her in there. That was actually in the wrong spot. So let's put that back in the right spot. And what do you got with that? You've got in your bag your Torx bits, your 3/8 drive, 1/4-inch drive. They really did a lot of thinking and processing with what you're actually wanting as far as tools when you're out in the field. So once I get done with setting all this back up, or setting it up, I will get my tool bag that I always take with me everywhere. Some Torx and the Allens. And this is another one of my favorite tools. A lot of people don't know what this thing is. This right here, this is what in the maintenance world we call this a pickle fork. Let's see what they call it in here. An axle popper wedge. We call these pickle forks in the maintenance world. What do we got here? Drift pin or punch. So it looks like we're going to be in this section with lineman pliers, channel locks, lineman pliers, channel locks, pickle fork, or as they call a axle popper wedge. Sorry, I guess that's old school when it comes to that, because that's always going to be known as a pickle fork. Then you got needle nose in this section. And it looks like we're your hex head Allen keys and your Allen keys, and these two pockets. Guys, I'm telling you, this is a really nice kit. So let's get G3 open, because that's going to give us some more of what we're looking for, like these guys right here. A set of Ford Performance channel locks. Some really nice, got some really nice rubber grip. Go in this pocket here. And then should be with this 10-inch crescent wrench or monkey wrench. Some people call it an adjustable wrench. It's going to go in this pocket here, which is nice. Really nice Ford Performance, guys. Check this out. This is a really, really nice kit. So now we're going to move on. We're going to go 27 millimeter. Then we've got 24 millimeter. And it just keeps coming and coming. 21. So it looks like in this bag is going to be the impact sockets. And your screwdrivers. Everything has a place. And then it looks like these are going to go ahead and go in pouch B as well. Your 6-inch extension, your body clip pliers, everything's going to go in there. Then you got your 27, your 24, and your 21. So now get down here to the wrench side. Gonna be, looks like will be wrench side. And 3/8 drive. And then all your various tools. 19. 17. 19. Let's get your 17. 16. 15. 14. 13. Well, looks like we've got, so I guess we're gonna go 13 there and just work our way back, because we've got all the way 17, 18, this is a good kit, guys. This is a really spot on, like I said, well thought out 12, 11, 10, 9. So all of these tools that I have put in this tool bag are all tools that I have used in my own tool bag that I have made, that I carry around. Now, the problem with the tool bag that I have, that I carry around, is I'm constantly digging and trying to find the exact tool that I need. So, got a body tool. We've got some wire, mechanics wire as they call it, electrical tape, zip strips or zip ties, and looks like we got a pretty nice little X-Acto knife. This thing's pretty sweet. Nice. Locks into place. Doesn't look like there's much of a, pretty easy, looks like change the blade. All of these things are going to go in pouch A. So I know there's one thing that I said, and I can understand where they're coming from. When I seen this kit first at Supercell West last year in Colorado, the ability to put your actual tool number or your tool size on the tool pouch itself, and that was just not something that was feasible on cost constraints as well as reliability and durability. But you guys can see this toolkit really showcases, you know, the tools that you need for when you're out on the trail. Now, I've had the ability to use the other Bronco tool roll on several different occasions, and absolutely impressed with that thing. That tool roll was really thought out, really meticulously. These toolkits are really nice, man. So they have this nice little handle on them too. Now, for those of you that don't know, I do have the Motley panels on the Bronco, so this can just kind of show you what is the capability of this thing. So, serial number FD0004. Super proud of that. It's an honor to be able to be in the same class with the other two guys that actually got the kit first in the world. I don't know if I just bugged the folks at Motley Industries enough about it or what the case may be. Super good folks. They definitely listen to what you're looking for, what your concerns are, and they implement those. So, as you guys can. Hey guys, I told you I would walk you through my tool bag that I used before getting the Ford Performance 122-piece tool kit. So we have here just a standard Craftsman bag, and I've got a couple of vinyl scrapers. Look at there. I got a Motley Industries bottle opener from last year at Supercell, Colorado. 50 BMG casing, couple bolts, tire repair kit instructions, Earthquake 3/8" drive electric ratchet, body clip remover pliers, body clip remover tool, flathead screwdriver, Phillips head screwdriver, small pair of channel locks, 3/8 half-inch drive, deep well, 3/8 half-inch drive standard, OBD2 reader, 10mm ratchet wrench, baby pliers, needle nose, 2 road flares, wire strippers, wire cutters, crescent wrench, Phillips head screwdriver, small crescent wrench, I-box coil over spring wrench, 3/8 drive wobble head, 6-inch ratchet, baby Phillips head, couple of X-Acto knives, zip ties, 10mm deep well, 3/8 drive, 3mm Allen head, 13mm gear wrench, 10-13 combination wrench, there's another 10-13 combination wrench, don't necessarily need that in there, 8mm 3/8 drive deep well, another 10mm gear wrench, 10-11 combination wrench, 1/2" 9/16 combination wrench, 10mm 3/8 regular, 13mm 3/8 deep well, extra battery for the ratchet, 15mm deep well socket, 13mm bent wrench, and a little 2-door die-cast vehicle Bronco, 3" 3/8 drive extension, various Allen keys, and also what is not in here is, okay guys, I'm back. Most kind of important, but not necessary, not a necessity. I always try to keep one. A tape measure and a set of Torx bits from 20 to 50. And then I have, because I'm running the Armadillo Designs hardtop, I have some Allen 3/8 drive sockets that are 5mm, 4mm, and then a various one that is 3/16. So as you can see, everything that I have carried in my tool bag for the past 2 years is what is in the 122 piece and then some. Most of all of these tools have been used on various installations and repairs out in the field, and right here in the garage on a lot of the installs that I have done on all of the Broncos. So this just gives you kind of an idea that you can go from this wild hot mess of having to dig around in this bag to the Motley 122 piece toolkit, and you have all the conveniences with their own little pouches right here in this bag. So one thing I might go ahead and throw my ratchet in there. I'll probably throw that guy in there, and I do a lot of electrical, so those will go in there. But this will give you a starter. I mean, again, I've said it over and over in the past. I've been turning wrenches for a long time. Pretty much, I would say my entire lifetime, because I used to tear things apart even as a kid. And yeah, here we are today. And they implement those. So as you guys can see, this is exactly what a result is of that. But again, I'll take this over to the Bronco. Most of you know that I am running the Armadillo Designs hardtop with the Motley panels. And I will click it on there, show you that you can keep it up off the ground. We can go from there. Let's get you moved around. It's my blue moly panels. Like I said, these things are equipped with these hooks, and they're really good clips. So let's take, probably need to move this guy here, this guy down here, so we can get the clips to be in the right direction. But put your tool roll up and off the ground. So unzip, grab your wrenches, pull your wrenches out, you know, flap it back down, take this one, unzip it. You can still get all your tools. This one you don't, where your pliers are, but it's all off the ground, guys. This toolkit is on point. So stay tuned. We're going to be using this thing a lot. We're actually, I am going to really try to do the bulk of the Dare Bronco parts install with the Motley Ford Performance 122-piece Bronco toolkit. So again, spot on kit. Let's take it off here. We'll probably showcase some different things with this kit and different placements inside the Bronco where we can actually store this kit. Ford Performance from Motley Industries. So thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and stay tuned for a lot more of the SQRL'ee adventures that are about to take place. Motley, thank you. Appreciate you. Again, it's an honor to be able to run this tool pouch. Really nice kit. Really wish we would have had something like this when I was in the Army. It would have made our job a lot easier and way more versatile. So again, stay tuned. More SQRL'ee adventures. We'll be on it. Thanks for watching.